Inequalities and parenthesis in Python. So in Python, truth conditions can be easily checked, and with parenthesis it prioritizes the order of true conditions. For example, these are easy to understand. But what does these mean? I couldn't grasp the logic of why they return false/true. I know these are not Pythonic conditions, but how should I understand them? Is it still from left to right? Or does is true or slash and is false takes precedence?
You can analyze each of those cases with this module to figure out exactly what's happening. For example, that means the stack looks like this after each step. To me, it looks like a bug in Python, to be honest. Maybe there's some good explanation of why this happens, but I'd report it upstream. Just to rewrite it in an equivalent way, the code does. Edit, maybe it actually makes some weird kind of sense. Consider how checking chained inequalities works. If it generalizes to that would explain the result. Edit 2, this actually matches documentation. Have a look at chain comparisons, this URL. Is considered just as good comparison as, so the standard expansion for multiple comparisons is applied. Other comparisons should be clear now. The only strange new detail needed is, true equals 1, false equals 0, so 3 is greater than false and 3 is greater than 2 is true. Most others can be explained with the expansions. For example,
Boolean type in Python is a subtype of int. So true is actually 1 and false is 0. All comparison operations in Python have the same priority, equals, not equal, is, not, in. Comparisons can be chained arbitrarily. For example, x less than y less than equals z is equivalent to x less than y and y less than equals z, except that y is evaluated only once, but in both cases z is not evaluated at all when x less than y is found to be false. Formally, if a, b, c, y, z are expressions in opus 1, opus 2, opn are comparison operators, then a opus 1b opus 2c, y opn z is equivalent to a opus 1b and b opus 2c and y opn z, except that each expression is evaluated at most once. See Python language reference.
First off, you probably need a little cheat sheet to know the order of evaluation. Most of these operators are on the same bracket and are therefore evaluated left to right. With this knowledge, the examples can be translated to their real meaning. Is equivalent to, there actually are no underscore is underscore and underscore not underscore, because those are keywords that cannot be overloaded. It's for illustration purposes. I might spare out some details that are described here. The good thing is that you, hopefully, never write such complicated expressions that you need to check the documentation to know what it does. Edit, never mind. It doesn't work this way with comparisons. Comparisons get compared all together pairwise, like described in Viraptor's answer.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.